Hey, welcome to the channel. So I thought today we'd do an unboxing of the stuff that Claude and I picked up at the small engine repair auction last Thursday. I need to get it taken care of anyways, but I'm going to go through it kind of quickly and throw a few prices on stuff. I know that the prices are higher than what I'm putting on it, but I probably should have bought more, but the truck was full. All right, enjoy. Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Eric, and I thought today we'd talk about the auction haul. So today I'm going to go through it really quickly, just to give you guys a heads up on what I got. These are all OEM Kohler oil filters. These are ones ended 01, 02. There's 12, 24, 25, 26, 27. Of those, they sell for right around 13 to 18 bucks a piece. I've got a Wix, then I've got a lot of Chempex oil filters. I've never heard of the Heloflow, right down to the tiny guy. And then we got some Iamigo. So if we figured, 10 bucks a piece, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And these are Yamaha brand OEM filters. So got that. And I can tell you that for the Kohler oil filters, I paid $25 a box for 50 bucks for the 2 boxes, which is 24, 25, 26, 27. And $5 for the other box and $2 for the other box. Alright, so let's grab the next box. This one here, that's a steel handle. That's, yeah, plug wire, Briggs air filters. This here I checked online quick yesterday. It's brand new. They're selling for $58. Got a couple OEM Kohler spark plugs, Autolite, a little funnel if you like that. Got a exhaust valve for a Briggs. That must be the intake side of the Briggs. We've got a whip for your lawnmower. We've got 2 of these. This one says Parstry on it. But these sell, they're the oil pressure switch. They sell for 8, 10 bucks a piece. There's 2 of those. There's a cover to a deck of some kind. This is a Sten's Fix-A-Handle, $1. And this here is plug wire connectors. There's 2 of them in there. 8 bucks. Briggs. See, these are old. These are like the ones I've been trying to peddle now and get clean out of inventory. Tell how old they are. Couple bucks a piece. These are pressure washer hose handles. Couple bucks a piece. Crapola. Another Fix-A-Handle. And it's a GM light switch of some kind. Then a bunch of batteries in here. So I also got one of these Madco tools, and it's a cordless fluorescent leak detection flashlight. And you put dye in it. And it's kind of like you get your special glasses, and it's got a blue light on it. So when you click it on, It shows blue. Don't know where we'd ever use something like that, but I don't know, he must have had it for a small engine repair, working on something. Rid of that box. We'll set that right over here. Let's grab this box quick. Generac spring, cartridge spark plug. It's common, what is it? The RCJ6Y. We got one of the cables, and this is a color-coded 25 pack. Another cable. We got 3 belts, and these are for Generacs. 4 or 5. There's 2 more. These are Generac. We've got 3 heads for weed trimmers, another color-coded, and another cable, and then we got a couple key switches in here. 20 bucks. These are around 10 bucks a piece. There's 50 bucks. That's about 20 bucks. 8 bucks. 20 bucks. 8 bucks. 20 bucks. And then I'm just going to take these belts and average them for right around $10, $12 a piece. So while we're speaking about belts, so here's some more belts. So I end up, I counted 52 belts, and even at $10, it's 520 bucks. They're a lot more than that. Some of these are $40 belts, and I think the smallest one I've got is 66 inch, 58 inch. Goes all the way up through. And there's he kept a lot of common sizes, you know, for like deck belts and drive belts. That's what I'm doing today, is putting this stuff away. But I figured you guys would like to see a video on it before I got the stuff put away. Next box. Alright, we've got a carburetor flange. These are all for ATV, UTVs. We did that work as well. Bearing kits, front bearings, front bearing. No, that's a rear. Yeah, that's a rear bearing. Polaris and all them make them. Same thing here. These are for Yamaha, Big Bear set. And I'm always looking for these. And they're just the push pins for like on the 4-wheelers and that kind of stuff, put stuff back into place. I got 3 bags of those. Set of brakes off, I'll look that up. Empty box, that's worthless. Another set of bearings, like it's for the front for a Polaris C fitment. Some more bearings. These are for Honda. Yamaha. Wheel bearings. Even got a windshield wiper for a little guy. Probably a couple $100 in that box. With all the bearings, kits, brakes. Got this box. This has got 3 of the Briggs air filters in it. That's another case of the same filter. This is a Kohler. Kohler filter, air filter. It's a round style. Same thing with this one. It says made in China. It's a bigger one. This one goes inside that. Grab this box, and these are different size spindles for your deck, top pieces. Let's see, 45, 45. These are all the same. Those are a little smaller. Yeah, that's them. So I got 3 of those. Then I've got some stems. I can look them up. And this box is right full of them. You got a new chainsaw chain. You got adapters for your pen. But if you figure $10 a piece, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. There's around 36, $360. And box full of pulleys, I paid 40. Because a lot of this stuff won't stay on the shelf long, it'll fly off. We use a lot of it right here for repairs. I got this big toolbox, and it's got some hose, fuel line, sit down tester they called it, screwdriver holder, miscellaneous odds and ends. You got, it's like a part of a puller. We'll have to look at these tools. But this whole box, I get $2 for it, right? Yeah, no, $5. No. Toolbox, $2 is what I get for this with all the contents. This box. We got some air filters, and I guess OEM Kohler air filters, Briggs air filters, OEM, a lot of Oregon. These are air filters for Briggs, and then I noticed we got more oil filters in here. So 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. I give $5 for it. And then we got this box. It's all air filters for side-by-sides, four-wheelers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10 a piece. And then I bought this Oregon sign. And then this Generac sign. Now these here are normally given to me by the, I've got some on the front of the building. But I thought, because I want to make some props for I have behind the videos, make it look more like small engine, even when I'm talking bullshit. And then I bought a couple tires. Oh, we got a couple more. And then of course, we got Claude's winch. They wanted to be able to do stuff with. So, you know, all in all, it turned out to be a good day. I probably should have bought more stuff, but you know, it is what it is. So on that note, you guys have a great day, and thanks so much for watching and enjoying unboxing. Now I gotta put it all away.